Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. A bowl of colorful vegetables is a wonderful place to start. Hello, friends! Welcome back to my kitchen. Yeah, you guessed it right. We are making rainbow magic salad. Let's start cutting up our vegetables. Crunchy carrot, fresh cucumber, sweet capsicum, juicy tomato, purple cabbage, and leafy lettuce. So many beautiful rainbow colors. This will make a perfect rainbow salad. Look at these beautiful layers. Let's prepare a fresh mango. First, wash it thoroughly. Cut off the cheeks, score into a grid, and press to invert. Perfect cubes. This mango adds the perfect sweet balance. It makes the salad taste incredibly fresh. You are going to love this delicious twist. Every color brings different vitamins. Support your immune system. This salad is light, refreshing, and full of natural goodness. It's perfect for school lunches, picnics, BBQs, meal prep, or as a healthy side with any meal. The bright rainbow colors make it fun for us to eat, and it's a wonderful way to encourage family to enjoy a variety of fresh vegetables. Every colorful bite adds different The simple lemon dressing ties all the fresh flavors together. It does this without overpowering the vegetables. This makes every bite crisp, zesty, and satisfying. Let me show you how I make my lemon dressing. We will need some fresh lemons and extra virgin olive oil. Then we add some Dijon mustard, honey, salt, and pepper. Start with fresh lemon juice, add extra virgin olive oil, balance it with some honey, sprinkle in salt and pepper, whisk it up until it's perfect. You can easily customize this salad by adding your favorite seasonal vegetables, herbs, seeds, or nuts. Eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables is an easy way to enjoy a wide variety of nutrients while making healthy eating fun for the whole family. This rainbow magic salad is incredible. It's one of my family's favorite recipes. Look at these fresh, colorful vegetables. It is absolutely delicious. Enjoy it on its own for a light meal, or pair it with grilled chicken, fish, chickpeas, or tofu for extra protein. Look at these beautiful layers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for another healthy recipe. This is my absolute favorite rainbow magic salad. It is packed with so many fresh and vibrant ingredients. You are going to love it.